Hello kids! We're going to learn the names of some common kitchen utensils. Are you ready? Let's go! Pan. P-A-N, pan. Pot. P-O-T, pot. Spatula. S-P-A-T-U-L-A, spatula. Whisk. W-H-I-S-K, whisk. Blender. B-L-E-N-D-E-R, blender. Microwave. M-I-C-R-O-W-A-V-E, microwave. Oven. O-V-E-N, oven. Refrigerator. R-E-F-R-I-G-E-R-A-T-O-R, refrigerator. Toaster. T-O-A-S-T-E-R, toaster. Kettle. K-E-T-T-L-E, kettle. Mixer. M-I-X-E-R, mixer. Grater. G-R-A-T-E-R, grater. Strainer. S-T-R-A-I-N-E-R, strainer. Chopping board. C-H-O-P-P-I-N-G-B-O-A-R-D, chopping board. Measuring cup. M-E-S-U-R-I-N-G-C-U-P, measuring cup. Rolling pin. R-O-L-L-I-N-G-P-I-N, rolling pin. Baking tray. B-A-K-I-N-G-T-R-A-Y, baking tray. Cookie cutter. C-O-O-K-I-E-C-U-T-T-E-R, cookie cutter. Peeler. P-E-E-L-E-R, peeler, peeler. Tongs. T-O-N-G-S, tongs. Masher. M-A-S-H-E-R, masher. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.